Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay. Oh, look at this. Ain't it beautiful? That's my oregano. How I call it? Before I go to what I really want to show you down there, I want to show you this. This is a papaya. Now, this been there like for 2 years. I have hold on. Oh my god. I gotta stretch. I have a whole bunch of them here. And everybody told me, nope, if you don't, how you call it, right away plant it, it will not go. If it dries out, it doesn't grow. So I want to see if that's true. I don't take nobody's word. I want to see it for myself with my eyes, my ears, with everything. So I got this little one, and I'm gonna dump it. Okay, you see it? Ah, you see it right there, right? Okay, I dumped it in the wrong place. Okay, right there. And I just need to put water on it. But since I got a lot of things to do still, and it's dark already, so they'll be getting water. Cucumber, she be getting water. And I'm going to show you how I propagate it. You know, if you do it this way, it comes real fast. This only has 2 days. 2, 3 days, that's it. And it's popping like crazy. So I'm going to start filling this up. And I don't know which one I hit. I'll be back in a minute, hopefully. Or else I'll do another video and see how I could put it together or something like that. Did it stop? Okay, I'm back. I took, okay, here it goes. And I'm going to take the roots that are more big, you know, and the other ones I'm going to leave in there to grow a little more. Okay, I have, here, you must say, what's that little balls? Those are cilantro. So I'm planning to grow my own things. And as you can see, I have this. I forgot what they call it. But I'm going to do what this has as vitamins, medicinal and all that stuff. So when that happens, then I'll tell you what it is. I forgot what it was. But anyway, it's just that my head is tired. I got up early because I had to take care of my baby. Yes, my little granddaughter. So I'm trying to get this one. Look at this one. This one, they only have like I think 2 days that I put it, and I left it in the kitchen. I didn't put it out here. So it's kind of chilly. Not that chilly today, but I don't want to leave it here. That maybe tomorrow when I wake up, it is too chilly for them. So I'll probably put it in my, how you call it, in my kitchen. I have LED lights there too, so they're not going to be hurt. Okay, I'm going to do it this way. It's the fastest way. And I'm going to put it, I was going to just put it directly to the, how you call it, to the dirt. But I didn't know what side was the, how you call it, the root side, and the other side, the plants. So I decided to put it in water. As you can see, let me see if I could get this one. I don't want to drop it. As you can see, the whiter side, I think it is the one that has the leaf, the plant. Not the plant, not the leaf, the roots. So that's probably why, I don't know if I could put 2 in there. Because I don't have too much cups. But, big cups. But they say, I don't know, because they say, I heard people say that if you have to bury them, you cannot then bother it. That's what they told me. But with this one, it will be easy, because when it fills up the roots there, I could just cut it and not bother it too much. Plus, it's going to go out here. I have another canister here that is totally free. I took everything out of there and put them in how do you call it, in pots. And thinking of also planting there, how do you call that? Potatoes. I put them outside and they all died because they started raining like crazy. So I probably put it in there too. I probably put these together because it's kind of wide, the canister there. So it's from here to over there, right there. So it's kind of wide. I think it gives me enough to put both of them. I could put the plants over here, and since the tomatoes don't grow that big, I could, they could climb through here and just go up like the tomato. The tomato just went through these holes and went right up, And if they don't, I could help them out. So, I'm pretty good with this. I just wanted to show you how you plant it. And I also have a sprayer. Because when you don't have a sprayer, you mess it up. Really, you mess it up. I'm telling you. I got this from, it was a cleaning thing. But I washed it very good, like 2 or 3 times with soap to make sure that it don't, how you call it? It don't have no chemicals and might kill it. So, I have to do this same thing with this little one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we got 2 cucumbers and 1 papaya. This is an experiment. I don't want to do, put too many, and then it don't work. Because I was saving them for seeds, from my, because I got how you call it? I got a plant over here, but the one I took was, in other words, I have it there, one, and that's not from that one. That was from this one that I had there next to my red cherries. And that's another thing I gotta fix. Cherries, those little black birds, they come in tons and they just eat it all up. This year I didn't even get none because I told a friend that to take me a couple of them and we split it up. He acted like I didn't say that. He just ate it all. I said, like, I didn't ask him to take it to eat it all. It was like we were going to share like the other time, like we always do. But he took it. It's okay. But I'm going to put, how you call that? Those CDs that they used to use a lot before. They used to make movies and videos in there. Okay, so I have a few of them still that I didn't throw out. Because I'm going to put the shiny side toward upwards. Tie it up in there. And make sure that they don't get in there no more. They say they get very scared very easily. So that's what I'm going to do. So, I have a few things. Oh, I got garlic. Look at this. I forgot to tell you. Look. Beautiful garlic. But the one I got in the other corn over there where the water is, it died 2 of them. What I figured is that this one don't have nothing under it. All the water goes right back out, as you can see. But the other one over there had a cover under it. And when I took it out, it was wet. So I think it was getting too much water. So what I did was that I took it off. So see if that will make it grow. I don't put it outside because you don't know what you're going to get of weather. 1 minute it could be nice and hot, and the next day it could be pouring rain. So that's why I don't do it. But anyway, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.